I cannot continue talking. I cannot continue explaining. This is how you take care of your cap wig. So today tutorial, I want to teach you how to take care of your cap wig, okay? I've already done how I wash my cap wig, how I do it, because I'm a hairstylist. Which is, the video is on Facebook, is on TikTok, is on Instagram, is on YouTube. Mr. Luca TV. So when you go there, you will find it there. So no questions. Now, a lot of ladies does not know how to maintain their head, which is this hair. I've used it severally. I've used it several times. I've glued it a lot of times, used it many times. You can see that it's still new. The glue, I wash them, I remove them and everything. This is how to do it. You can see that this hair, once, if I want to sell this hair to someone, I can sell the hair to someone. Systemize your head. Okay, systemize your head. I don't want to talk too much. Don't make me talk, don't get me upset. All right, systemize your head. Okay, this is how we do it. This is how we run it. Now, I want to maintain this hair because I'm taking it away. Okay, now. All right, let's go there. First of all, I have to spray because I dried the hair this period after washing it. Go and watch the tutorial how I wash this hair. It is a wave hair. I can straighten it. I can leave it like this. I want to leave it the way it is. Now, I want to systemize it. I have to spray some water on it, okay, to make it look beautiful. Let me spray. I have some, we call it balsamo in Italy. Balsamo is like condition, but it's more stronger than condition. Okay, we have condition, we have balsamo. So this is what I'm doing. Then I have to put little on it because I want this hair to be so beautiful, to maintain it, because I want to keep it out. Okay, so that is how I do it. You are a lady. I will see some lady putting cap wig in their head. Yeah, go swell up. Where you they go? Where do you be? You be mountain. Yeah, go swell up. Yeah, has to flat. Has to look like your natural hair. That is how it's supposed to be. Okay. Now, let us comb it. Someone has asked me question. She said, Mama, why are we washing cap wig? I've never washed my cap wig. So you want to use your cap wig for eternity without washing it? I was joking right now. There is spray a little water to it. At least every 3 months or 2 months, you have to wash your cap wig. Okay. You have to use your hand now to maintain it, to bring out that poise in her.